Welcome to Pepe Learning Solutions. Using this video, you are going to understand a Java program. Topics covered in this video are: what is a Java program, simple Java program using IDE, class declaration, main method declaration, method definition, method declaration, calling the method. What is a Java program? Java program is called standalone program. You can write Java program to make some calculations, display messages, validate inputs, connect to database and create UI applications. You can do a lot more than this. Simple Java program using IDE. Open a Eclipse IDE, write a Java program. Here the program name which you are going to create is welcome, which is going to print welcome as a message. I have already opened the Eclipse. I would prefer to create any program inside the packages than default package. Right click on com.pepe.java, new, class, welcome, say finish. Here inside a welcome, I want to write a main method. I am using shortcut here, main control space. It will show me an option to complete the name, main method. Okay. Now I want to print welcome here. For that I can use another shortcut called syso on control space, syso control space, welcome. Let me execute this program. Right click, run as Java application. Now you can see the output here. Now creation of the program is completed. Let's see the class declaration, syntax and example. Syntax is a class name, class public. Public is a access specifier, class is a keyword, class name is the name which you want to give. In this statement, public is optional. A class can be either public or default. When you don't mention public keyword here, it will be default. Example, public class welcome. If you look back our class, you can see here public class welcome. Main method declaration. Let's see the syntax and example. Main method can be started with public static void main with string of arguments as a parameters. This is the standard syntax. Public static void main. In the example you can see string arguments, the parameter name got changed, but rest of the syntax is same, because main method is the starting point for the execution in the class. It should be exactly matching this, otherwise your program cannot be detected as a executable program. Method definition. This is the place where we write the logic for execution. If you look here, system.out.println welcome, which is a method definition. Inside this method you can write whatever is the logic which you are going to write. Let's say computations, printing of the things, validating the stuff, all the things you can do here. If you see here public static void main, the specialty of the IDE is you can see the code in different colors. Wherever you see public class static void, these all are keywords. Keywords are shown in purple color. You will understand different type of icons and all in the next sessions when you are using the IDE. Here is the system.out.println. This is where we are going to print the information. Welcome. I'm adding Pepe here. Welcome Pepe Learning. When I save, it got compiled. Right click, run as Java application. Now you see welcome Pepe Learning. So this is the method body. Let's see a normal method declaration apart from main method. Let's see the syntax. First you have to have a method name, then its return type, non-access specifier, access specifier, and its body. We will know in-depth knowledge about of access specifiers, non-access specifiers in next session, whereas return type and method name are mandatory and access specifier, non-access specifier are not mandatory. Let's create a couple of methods. In this method, I am used public static void main. Here I am using access specifier, non-access specifier, return type, as well as the method name. And when someone calls this method, it will print greet from method. Another method, void print name. If you observe here, you don't have a public static like access specifiers, non-access specifiers. It got only the return type as well as method name. When you call this method, you're going to get printed off printing name. Calling a method. This is a class. In the class, if you want to call any method, first of all you have to create the method inside the class. Then you have to create an object. With the object reference, you have to call that method. Let us see in practice. I am creating another method called void print name, which is parallel to main method. It will print printing name. Now I have created a method called void print name in this class. Now if I want to call this method, I should create an object of the method where it is declared, which is welcome, WEL equal to new welcome. This is how we create an object in Java. Then once you create an object, it is called reference, object reference, WEL. WEL dot, when you put dot, your IDE will show you all the available methods. In that we can see here print name. Double click on it and save the program. Now let me execute this program and see. Right click, run as Java application. You can see welcome Pepe Learning and printing name. So with this, what we understand is, we know how to create a class, we know how to create a main method, we know how to create a method and how to execute the program. When we execute the program, starting point of the execution is from main method. It gets into this method, then it will create an object called welcome. Once it creates an object, it will call a method called print name, where it will print. We will know more about creation of methods with parameters in further sessions. For now, you understand we can create a class, we can create a main method, we can create a normal method, and we can execute the program by calling the normal method in the main method. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like this video.